Did you know that consuming honey with this might cause dementia and cancer? There are optimal and worst meal combinations for honey, which is a gift from bees. For the body to benefit from good honey, it must be consumed appropriately. Consuming it with inappropriate meals might be detrimental to your health. I've prepared this in order to avoid dementia and cancer because of this. I'll share with you the 3 foods that go together the worst and the finest with honey. Hello everyone. Haven't subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button and like right now. Please share with your loved ones. I'll continue to deliver only the best health information. Did you know there's one food on Earth that never spoils? It's considered humanity's first food from nature, so precious that ancient Romans called it the dew of the gods fallen from the sky. The nutrient-dense and delicious honey is the star of today. Bees use the nectar of blooming plants and their enzymes to make honey, which contains antioxidants, amino acids, vitamins, minerals like iron and zinc, and vitamins. Honey has several anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer qualities in addition to being a natural sweetener. It is particularly well known for strengthening the immune system. Did you know that there are over 320 varieties of honey in the world? A variety of honeys, such as acacia, canola, chestnut, and manuka honey, as well as wildflower and mixed flower honey, are produced based on the flowers that the bees visit. Another type of honey is artificial honey, which is fed with sugar. We are incredibly appreciative to the bees for this beneficial gift because it takes them visiting 5-6 million blossoms to generate just 1 kilogram of honey. But did you know that when consumed with specific foods, even this health-promoting honey can have negative effects on your body? Now let's discover the 3 worst food combinations for preventing dementia and cancer, as well as the 3 finest food pairings that can contribute to a healthy, longer lifespan. First off, foods manufactured from soy, such as tofu and soy milk, match the worst with honey. Given how well-known sugar's health risks are, many people believe that all sweetness is unhealthy. Refined sugar is not at all like real honey, which is a distinct kind of sugar. Large sugar molecules must be broken down into smaller molecules, such as fructose or glucose, during digestion in order for the body to absorb them. Our body uses up insulin, calcium, and B vitamins during this process, which also causes blood sugar levels to rise. But honey is something else entirely, a gift from the bees. Bees have already broken down and processed honey, which is mostly made of simple sugars. So when you eat honey, it's absorbed directly into your body without the need for digestion, quickly becoming a source of energy. That's why you feel an instant boost of energy and recovery after consuming honey. Since natural honey's health advantages are now well recognized, there are a lot of well-liked recipes that use it. In particular, a lot of individuals like the health benefits of adding sweet honey to tofu and soy milk. Wait, that's not what you should do. The protein content of soy products, such as soy milk, is substantially higher than that of milk. In addition to sugar, honey also includes organic acids. Simply said, the protein in soy milk and the organic acids in honey can combine to produce a precipitate, which is a lump or clump. The protein-dense soy milk and honey combination is rendered ineffective as this precipitate is not absorbed, but rather eliminated from the body. In addition, soy is regarded as a cool meal that aids in eliminating heat from the body, in contrast to honey's warming properties that retain heat within. Digestion might result from the collision of heat and cold forces in the stomach. So it's better to avoid combining honey with soy-based goods, such as soy milk and tofu. What therefore ought we match honey with? Instead of soy milk, milk is the meal that goes best with honey, in my opinion. Because milk has less protein than soy milk and thus less interaction with the organic acids in honey, it's a great match for it. In addition, the combination of health advantages is amazing. Isn't sleeplessness a common problem these days? Our health greatly benefits from getting enough sleep, and a simple solution to this problem is to have warm milk with honey in the evening. Tryptophan is an amino acid found in milk. In our bodies, this amino acid transforms into a neurotransmitter called serotonin. You might know serotonin as the happiness hormone. Surprisingly, it not only alleviates depression, but also suppresses the arousal hormone, which is a cause of insomnia, thereby helping you sleep deeply. Unfortunately, the body cannot fully absorb this amino acid from milk on its own. At that point, honey becomes useful. Honey not only has tryptophan in it, but it also helps our bodies absorb it completely so that it can start working right away. As a result, adding honey to milk boosts emotions of stability and happiness more rapidly than drinking milk alone. It also has positive effects on sleep quality. Unripe persimmons, black tea, green tea, and other foods and beverages high in tannins are the second worst combinations with honey. Ever brewed too much black or green tea, or eaten an unripe persimmon and afterwards tasted bitter? Because of the tannins. Tannins are members of the polyphenol family, which includes amazing antioxidants that help our body get rid of free radicals, delay the aging of cells, and clear waste products out of our blood vessels and overall body. Even while tannin-rich foods like black tea, green tea, and persimmons are excellent for you, they shouldn't be eaten with honey since honey contains minerals, including iron. Iron and tannins combine to generate an indigestible complex that keeps the body from absorbing it. Therefore, even while honey may be good for you, eating certain items high in tannin can negate its nutritional value and complicate digestion if you combine it with honey. To take advantage of all of their nutritious benefits, you must eat each one separately. Hold on. Have you ever boiled hot water to make honey tea? There's a better way to do it. Vitamins, amino acids, and healthy enzymes abound in honey, but the drawback is that these substances are heat sensitive. All those nutrients might be destroyed if you use too hot water. Make your honey tea with warm water, ideally between 140 and 160 F, not boiling hot, to maintain the health advantages of honey. This way, you can enjoy all the health benefits honey has to offer. Cinnamon is the second food that goes really well with honey. A superior health elixir may be made by substituting cinnamon honey tea for black or green tea. Were you aware of the immune system's benefits from honey? A substantial number of vitamins and minerals included in honey help to strengthen immunity and shield the body against external viruses and colds. Additionally, honey contains a lot of propolis, a naturally occurring antibacterial. Here's the kicker: a miracle occurs when cinnamon and honey are united. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey are strengthened by the antioxidants in cinnamon, which also lowers blood vessel inflammation. Additionally, the warming qualities of cinnamon and honey work synergistically to promote blood flow. This amazing concoction works wonders for chilly hands and feet, numbness in the winter, and even stiffness or pains in the muscles. Interestingly, cinnamon helps to reduce blood sugar levels when combined with honey, allowing for a balanced sugar consumption. Keep in mind that the key to maximizing these advantages is drinking cinnamon honey tea. Onion is the last and third food that tastes bad when combined with honey. Onion honey pickles used to be quite popular because people thought they were healthy. Known as blood vessel cleansers, onions appear to provide a means of extending their shelf life while also utilizing honey's health advantages. Surprisingly, yet, it is highly advised against combining onions with honey. Allicin, a volatile substance found in onions, can cause the body to produce gas when consumed. This combination might cause severe stomach bloating and persistent indigestion when taken with honey. It could potentially negatively impact your vision, so proceed with caution. The vitamins and phytochemicals in onions inhibit the activity of the health-promoting enzymes in honey. Therefore, it is recommended to consume honey and onions separately to avoid these negative interactions and ensure you benefit from each food's unique health properties. Then radish is the third and greatest food to eat with honey, instead of onions. Many people may have colds, and coughs and phlegm can be quite difficult to manage. Coughing can cause throat pain and is detrimental to your lungs. Moreover, finding a suitable strategy to manage phlegm is vital since it might facilitate the growth of viruses. Honey and radish is an excellent remedy for coughs, phlegm, and strengthening your immune system. Did you know that radishes are extremely healthy during the fall and winter, even more so than certain conventional treatments? Radishes become more nutrient-dense and taste sweeter when the temperature drops. Eating these healthy radishes with honey makes your lungs and throat stronger and helps you breathe easier. It's a fantastic way to help with coughs, phlegm, and making your immune system stronger. The reason radishes taste spicy is because of something in them called sinigrin. This substance helps improve your breathing by strengthening your throat and releasing mucus. In addition, it helps reduce inflammation and combat germs. Radish and honey together strengthens your lungs and stomach and improves your breathing in addition to strengthening your immune system. Making radish honey is a fairly simple process. Chop one radish into 4 pieces. Place a radish slice in a small bowl and cover with 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. After letting it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, sip the juice that emerges. This easy drink will strengthen your immunity and ease your throat. For best effects, try this at least 2 or 3 times a day. Today's talk was about the best and worst food pairings with honey. I hope this helps you make good choices to stay healthy and live a long life. Honey is packed with nutrients, but eating it with the wrong foods can harm your health, so be careful. Please subscribe and hit the like button if this was helpful. See you next time.